There once was a young ninja who had dreams in becoming a young ninja and rise to the defeat of his father and family. So he's gonna gallop into the meadows and find a Master G.
Oh, there you are.
Dang it, how'd you see me? Oh, anyways, do you want to become a young ninja?
Yeah!
Everything you need to become a young ninja is in this book. I will leave you now, 'cause you're on your own. A long, long time ago, there was a family that got slaughtered, which was your family that got slaughtered.
Why are you still here?
Oh, I'm sorry. I keep telling you.
I need you to fill long journeys. Which is my first assignment, which is behind me?
Oh. Dennis!
Got the seagull, got knocked down.
Going to get the paper. Oh, forgot my drink. Yeah, okay, whatever, Mom. Mom, where's the newspaper at? There it is. Mom, give me a backpack. You know what? I hate you too. I'll get it on my own. Stupid mother. What is she here for? Just to have me or something? Where's backpacks? We'll all find them. You stole my backpack!
No, I didn't.
No, you not! You stole them! I saw you! I saw you running away! Time to dance, Michael Jackson! Oh, my mom is gonna kill me. Look at the carpet. Is that a sword? Oh, there he is. Is he dead?